We have our beginners. These are the guys that just started this year or just started a new instrument this year. And on the other side of the stage, we have our advanced strings who have all been playing for at least a year, some of them longer. Yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get started with our strings, and please enjoy.